Sensibility and practicality define the 2014 BMW 428i. This two-door, four-passenger coupe leads among competitors in its segment. BMW made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, favoring both performance and efficiency. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. BMW prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by speed-sensitive wipers, a leather steering wheel, automatic dimming door mirrors, and seat memory. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.